All right, 130. 130 is a rectangle problem. It says, suppose we want to find the area under the curve of the function of x over the interval 1 to 10, and notice it doesn't give us the function, using 25 subintervals, or we can say 25 rectangles. Okay. What is the width of each rectangle? Well, to find the width, now it doesn't give you the function, but that's not necessarily important because we're actually looking for other things. So we're not going to find the area in the curve here. So to find the width, or our delta x, we will take 10, subtract 1, and then divide by 25, which will give us 9 over 25, which approximately equals 0.36 is our delta x. Okay. It says, what will the height of the first rectangle be if we use left endpoint rectangles? Well, if this is our delta x, we know that and our number line starts at 1 and then goes to 10. If we want to find the left endpoint, or our x of 0, we are going to take f of 1, f, and our input, or our x value, will be 1, and that will give us some y value, which we don't know quite yet, but that's fine. So this is how we would find our first value for left endpoint. Now, B doesn't ask left, it asks what will the height of the first rectangle be if we use right. So for right endpoint, well, again, we don't know what the y value is, but we do know what the x value is. If 1 is our first value, if we add 0.36, we'll get 1.36 for our x of 1. This would be our right. Here's where we would start for right, okay? Whereas here is where we're starting for left. So this one would be f of 1.36. C says, what are the height of the last rectangle if we use right endpoint? Well, the last one is going to be this guy right here, which in this case would be f of 10. And then D, what will the height of the last rectangle be if we use left? Well, it's going to be 10 minus 0.36, because we're going to go back 1, which would equal f of 9.64. So there's your last one for right. Here's your last one for left. How would your answers change if the interval were B is less than x is less than or equal to E, and the width of each rectangle were W? Well, the answers for this, I'm just going to go ahead and write them out. For the first one, it's just f of b, whatever your first term is. Then for the right, it's going to be f of b plus 0.36. For the last one, it's f of e, and then f of e minus 0.36. And I think instead of saying 0.36, they use in the problem your width, which would just be w and w. So that's just generalizing what we just did.